Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to back up your WhatsApp messages to ensure your chats are safe and secure. Make sure to watch until the end to learn all the steps for a seamless backup process. So let's get started. The first and easiest way to back up your WhatsApp messages is directly through the WhatsApp app. So open the WhatsApp on your device and then click on Settings, which is in the bottom right corner. Now in the Settings menu, look for Chats, and in Chat section, you will find this option of Chat Backup. Tap on it. WhatsApp allows you to set up automatic backups so you never have to worry about losing your messages. And you can choose the frequency of the auto backup, whether you want it daily, weekly, or monthly. Once you have set your preferences, tap on Backup Now, and this will back up all your WhatsApp messages and media files. You can monitor the backup progress, and once it's complete, your conversations will be securely stored. Now, another option for backing up your WhatsApp messages is to use the Export Chat feature, and you will find this Export Chat feature in Chat section. So simply click on Export Chat, and your chats menu will appear in front of you. Now you can simply tap on the conversation, and you will be given the options to include media or export without media. So you can select your preference and then choose where you want to send the backup. This could be an email address, cloud storage, or you can save it directly to your files on your phone. This method is particularly useful if you want to save specific conversations or you want to store them in a different location outside of WhatsApp's built-in backup. Now, the third option is to use your phone settings to back up WhatsApp messages. For iPhone users, open Settings and then tap on the name at the top. Now scroll down and click on iCloud. From here, scroll all the way down and find WhatsApp and make sure that it is toggled on. This will use your iCloud storage to back up on your WhatsApp messages and media files. If it is not toggled on, then simply toggle it on and all your WhatsApp data will be backed up to iCloud. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.